Hi, good morning. This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and we are gonna do 2 rooms that has carpet and the whole house that has marble floors. So if you need our services, just call us at 407-572-4118 or visit our webpage anyhousecleaning.com. Acércate más y en las cosas del medio. Otra vez, en todo lo que es el pattern de traffic, ajá, en el medio. Ajá, muy bien. Yes, we are pre-treating, we already vacuumed the carpet and we are pre-treating the carpet. We are using our Hydroforce sprayer dispenser to put more cleaning products in the traffic area. After that, we are gonna use our CRV. This is our CRV. What is CRV? That's a rotating brush that will scrub the carpet. And then we're gonna use our track mount to rinse, and then we are gonna use this fan to dry as much as we can the carpet. There is some stains here. Dime. ¿La puerta? Okay.